Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so children, we'll start today chapter 12 measurements. Measurements we learned, I think, from smaller classes. So we learned that measurements, how to measure length, then weight and capacity. So children, length. Do you remember the units of length? Length, when we measure your height or the different distance between places, we will use
Meter.
meter. Then yes, centimeter, very good, centimeter, meter, then kilometer. Okay, so children, kilometer is bigger, no? When we want to measure the distance from here, from Mala to your house, we will use that measurement, which is the unit kilometer, kilometer. So if I want to measure your height, what we will use? Meter. I think last year in our class we bought that measuring tape, and do you remember, children, measuring tape to measure your height, measure the table and all we were using? Yes? Yes. So children, and you have ruler, scale with you? You can see centimeter, 1 centimeter. If you have with you the box, pencil box, please open that and see which is that scale, 1 centimeter. How many small lines inside? Count. How many? Between 1 and 2 centimeter. Between 2, I am not telling where to measure your pencil. What do you have to do? Inside the scale, 1 unit, 1 centimeter. How many lines you can see? 10 millimeter you can see, 10 small lines. That is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. That we have, I think we can see that in your scale. But we learned 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to gram, kilogram and all we learned. Okay. So length, what are the units? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Okay, children. Now how to weight, that weight. How we will measure the weight? Do you remember? Weight. Which is, what is your weight or kilo when you go to shop, when you buy rice, apple, fruits, everything? Kilogram. Very good. Kilogram. Children, when very small, milligram. That when we go to gold shop and all, very small, this thing we can see how they are measuring. You see milligram, gram, kilogram. Okay. So what are the units of weight? Milligram, gram, kilogram. Okay. Now children, one more thing we learned last year, capacity. Do you remember? We were using the water bottle. How much water it can measure? How much juice? What is the unit? Liter. Very good. Liter, milliliter, kiloliter. Okay, children, when you get fever, cough and all, you will use syrup or medicine. What is that? Milliliter. How many milliliter we will say? Ml. 5 ml. 10 ml. Okay. Then water, that bottle and all we will measure in liter. Okay, Ashwin. Okay, Ashwin. If you don't have the book, please you can complete in the rough book. Okay. So children, we learned length, weight and capacity. Length to measure the length of your pencil, your height or the distance from different places. Weight, how will make, how much heavy that rice, vegetables, fruits, like that you can measure. How much gram, kilogram and all. Then children, you will measure the capacity, how much volume, bottle, liquid, that we will measure in liter, milliliter, kiloliter and all. Okay. So where is Christo?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
You also taught us a method to count like this.
What's that?
I don't remember.
Okay. So children, please, okay, Meka, very good. So children, will listen carefully on the board. Children, we are learning chapter 12, measurements. So children, I want all the children, don't write anything now, just listen carefully. If you listen carefully, this is very easy measurement. Length, weight and capacity. So what are the units? How you can convert from larger unit to smaller unit and from smaller unit to larger unit. Listen carefully, don't write anything now. Mute your audio. And children, so measurements, what are the things we learned now? We have length, that is you measure the height or distance like that. Then we have weight, how much heavy you are, or your, when you go to grocery shops we will measure. Then we have capacity. Okay, Devadat, listen. Now length, children, what we learned for length, how we can measure? Millimeter, that I show you, millimeter in your scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter, that is millimeter is very small. Then we have centimeter, how we will write? cm, centimeter. Then we have meter also is there, meter, kilometer. Okay, kilometer, here everything is meter. So that is for length, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Then what we learn for weight? Weight, milligram, mg, gram, yes, milligram, gram, kilogram, very good. Milligram, gram, kilogram. Then children, for capacity, that is water, juice, milliliter, ml. That is very, I told you, no, your medicine, how much milliliter, how much ml, 5 ml, 2 ml, 6 ml, like that, very small amount. Then we have children, liter. Then we have the larger unit, that is kiloliter. Okay, ml, milli, then the liter, kiloliter. So children, listen again, measurements. What are the, how we will measure? This length is by millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Then weight, how we will measure? Milligram, gram, kilogram. Then capacity, ml, liter and kiloliter. Okay children, very good. Now listen here now, from larger units. Children, this is very important. You will get confused if you don't listen properly. Larger unit to smaller. Larger unit to smaller. So first I will start with the units of length. Okay, units of length. So this is children length. The larger unit I will start from kilometer. Then kilometer is equal to dash meter. 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter. Wait. Can you say? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. Very good. 1000. See children, only length we have little for gram, for weight, for capacity and all we have 1000, but in length you have to be little more careful because 1 meter, centimeter, everything is different. So listen carefully. Here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter, that measuring tape last year we have seen in 1 meter. How many centimeter? 100. Very good. You remember. Very good. So children, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now in the scale I told you 1 centimeter. Very small lines. You can see how many lines? You can see that is 10 millimeter. So children, all of you listen again and listen and revise this. 1 kilometer. Kilometer to meter. If you go from your home, from here to Mala, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer means what? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So you have to remember, Kilometer to meter is 1000. Meter to centimeter, that is 100. Then 1 centimeter to, that is 10 millimeter. That we can see in your ruler or scale, that millimeter, very small. Now children, this is now next you have to be very careful. Look here, larger unit to smaller. Larger unit means, look at here, kilometer. You know kilometer is bigger. When we measure, kilometer is bigger. So look here, kilometer, you want to convert into meter, small meter. What we have to do? 1 becomes 1000. How we will do? Multiply. This is very important. Catherine, listen carefully here. This is very important. Larger unit to smaller. What we have to do? Multiply. Okay. Kilometer, when we become small meter, you are doing multiply. Meter, centimeter is very small. So meter, how you can convert into centimeter? There also you multiply with 100. 1 becomes 100. Here, centimeter is bigger than millimeter, is very small. So 1 millimeter you will get 10. That also multiply. So children, look here now. Larger to smaller, multiply. So what will be the opposite? Smaller to back. Smaller to larger will be what? Opposite of multiply. Divide. Very good. So children, when we want to make from meter to kilometer, when we want to convert, you have to do divide. Centimeter to meter, that also divide. Meter to here. So children, only thing you have to remember here, larger, not larger number, larger unit. Larger unit to smaller unit, what we have to do? Multiply. Multiply. Look here again. Here, look here children. 1000. We are not looking at the number. We are looking at the larger unit. Kilometer is bigger. Meter is smaller. So larger unit to smaller unit, what we have to do? Multiply. Okay. Now next we will discuss with the weight. Here also same children. If you study one, then it is the same rule for weight and capacity. Length, larger unit to smaller unit. Please listen, wait. Larger unit to smaller unit, we will do multiply. The same for weight and the same for capacity also. So listen carefully. It's not audible here. Please listen, wait 1 minute. Weight. What are the units here children? Here weight. 1 gram is equal to dash milligram. 1 kilogram is equal to dash gram.
1000.
Children, here everything is 1000. No need of any confusion. Only in length we have kilometer to meter 1000. Meter to centimeter 100. Centimeter to millimeter 10. So only the difference is in length. But weight and capacity, everything is 1000. Don't get confused here. Listen here. 1 gram, 1000 milligram. 1 gram, 1000 milligram. 1 kilogram, that also 1000. So children, here also larger to smaller. Here, this unit is gram, this unit is milligram. So larger, gram is larger than milligram. Kilogram is larger than gram. So larger to smaller, what we have to do? Multiply. Okay, larger to smaller, what we have to do? Multiply. Smaller to larger, go back, that is divide. Okay, so children, here only 2 units we are learning. 1 gram, 1000 milligram. Don't forget this. 1 kilogram, 1000. Now one more is that is capacity. So capacity also children what we have? Units. 1 liter is equal to dash ml. 1 liter is equal to dash ml. And 1 kiloliter is equal to dash liter. Children, here also what's the unit? What's the measurement here? 1000.
Thousand.
No, 1000. No other confusion here. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml and 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1000 liter. So liter to ml, what we will do? Multiply. Kiloliter to liter, what we will do? Multiply. So children, yes Devdat, I cannot, what you are speaking?
With all numbers we have to multiply.
From 1 liter, what we are getting, how we are getting ml? 1000. 1 liter to ml, we are multiplying with 1000. 1 kiloliter, how we are making L? 1000. Okay, so we will multiply by 1000 if you are the conversion. Look at the conversion here. So children, we learned today measurements. What are the measurements we learned? Length, weight and capacity. So listen carefully from beginning. Okay, so all the children please listen here. Measurements, what all things we learned? Length, weight and capacity. Length, weight and capacity. Length, millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Weight we have milligram, gram, kilogram. Capacity ml, liter, kiloliter. Okay? Then we learned 1 kilometer is 1000. Here only children we have difference. Kilometer to meter, 1000. Meter to centimeter, here only 100. Centimeter to milliliter, we have 10.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Wait, I will give you time. 1 gram, 1000 gram. 1 kilogram, here 1000. Here both for weight, everything is 1000. And for liter, the capacity, liter, kiloliter, here also 1000 ml, 1000 liter. Then what we learned children? Larger to smaller. Larger to smaller unit, not the number, unit. Liter ml, kiloliter is greater than liter. So larger unit to smaller unit, what we have to do? Multiply. Only this much we learned. Larger unit. This you have to be very careful. Larger to smaller, multiply. Then smaller to larger will be opposite. That will be divided. Yes, Christo, what you are speaking?
Ma'am, that in the length we should cut.
I cannot hear. Louder, please.
Ma'am, when we are taking length, we can cut 1 zero.
When we are taking length, what we can cut? What?
We will cut 1 zero.
0. Okay. Length, we only in length that much. Okay, children, this is very easy. Can you take out your page number 68 from the workbook? Let me see who is getting faster. I will give them chance to read. Page number 68, measurement, 12.1. Yes, Gurujit, very good. Gurujit, can you read louder? Louder. All others, please listen. Page number 68. Yes, Gurujit, louder. Millimeter. Millimeter is a unit of what? Millimeter. Meter. Length. Very good. Very good, children. So this is question number A1. That is question number. Millimeter is a unit of length. Okay. Christo, question number 2.
Ma'am, which question?
Question number 2. Page number 60. Page number 68. So Gurujit read question number 1. So millimeter is a unit of length. Okay. Question number 2. Christo, are you there?
Kilogram is a unit of dash.
Kilogram is a unit of
Weight.
weight. Weight means which is option? Very good. Option A. Very good.
Option A.
Option A. Kilogram is a unit of weight. Megha, question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Liter is a unit of
Liter, it is a unit of?
capacity.
What is that? Capacity, very good. Option C, capacity. So meter we used for measuring length. Kilogram is measuring weight, and liter is we are measuring in to measure capacity. Okay, Muhammad Adnan, question number 4. Question number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, louder. 2 kilometer. Question is 2 kilometer is equal to dash meter. So children, before that tell me 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter.
100 meter.
1 kilometer. 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000.
2000.
So it will be 2000. So tell me the option. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. So 2 kilometer is equal to 2000. So option? Option C, 2000 meter. Children, you have to be careful whether it is here meter or centimeter. Kilometer to meter only 2000. So it is option C. Very good. Nived, can you read question number 5?
7,000 liter.
Yes, Nived. 7 liter is equal to dash milliliter. So what is 1 liter? 1 liter is 1000. So 7 liter means 7. Okay, so what is option? C. Option C, very good. Option C. Option C, 1000 ml. Okay, next one. Al-Sabah, question number 6.
Yes, ma'am. 4 centimeter is equal
See children, here listen carefully. 4 centimeter. So here 1 centimeter is equal to dash mm. Look into the scale I told you.
400. 400.
Listen carefully to the question. Look at your centimeter. Centimeter is this much only. Look in your centimeter scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 10. Very good, David. 10. So 1 centimeter is 10 mm. 10 millimeter. So look here, 4 centimeter will be what?
40 millimeter.
Very good, very good. Tell me, option? A. Option A. See children, I told you length only we have little confusion because length we have millimeter and centimeter is equal to 10. Meter to centimeter 100. We have to add 1 0 here. Then kilometer to meter, it is 1000. You have to be only careful about length. So listen to the question carefully. Centimeter to millimeter, it is 10. So 4 centimeter it will be 40. 4 into 10. Okay. Now question number 7 and 8 also we have to do. So you have to careful, what did I say? Larger unit to smaller unit. What we have to do? Larger to smaller unit. Divide or multiply? Multiply. Very good children. So larger unit to smaller, if it is multiply, the opposite, small to larger will be divide. So question number 7, who is going to read? Amal Fayaz. Question number 7.
Yes, ma'am. To convert measures from a smaller unit to
Here opposite, small to larger. What we have to do? Yes children, small to larger. What we will do? Question, divide. Very good, divide. Smaller to larger unit. Children, look here, question number 7. We will write divide. Divide.
Divide.
So question number 8. What is that? Rishikesh, question number 8. To convert.
Convert measure from a
Larger to smaller. Larger to smaller.
multiply.
Multiply.
Multiply. Next option. Next option.
Yes, Devadatta. But here you have to be very careful, little confusing. Children, first of all, listen to me. 1 centimeter, 1 minute, Devadatta, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So, millimeter to centimeter, you have to be careful. Yes, Devadatta, tell me. 1 millimeter represents how many centimeter? What you have to do? Tell me, divide or multiply? Millimeters, small to big. What we have to do? Divide. Yes? So it will be, children, 1 you have to do divide. 1 divided by 10. So you have to write here 1 by 10 centimeter. So children, listen carefully. Before the next class, all of you, please see your textbook, page number 57. Textbook, page number 57. We have one conversion, relation between that box. Can you see that box? Yes, Al-Saba is showing. 1 minute, Al-Saba, I will spotlight this. Show me it again. So children, this is page number 57. This length, weight and capacity. This is page number 57 from your textbook. Okay, Al-Saba, very good. Okay. So what do you have to do, children? In the next class, before coming to next class, you have to read page number 57 from the textbook. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Yes, Joseph Ivan, correct page. So question number, what we have to write here? Question number 9, 1 by 10. The answer is 1 by 10. So here, millimeter to centimeter, you have to divide by 10, 1 by 10. Now, anybody can tell me what is the decimal form of 1 by 10? We learned. We learned the decimal form of 1 by 10. Who remember? Decimal form of 1 by 10. I cannot hear. 0.1. Yes. So children, you can write 1 by 10 or 0.1. Question number 9. Question number 9. Children, 2 more minutes are there. So can we do question number 10? Question number 10. 4000 ml is dash. So children, before that what we have to do? You have to remember 1 liter is equal to. 1 liter is equal to how many ml? 1 liter is equal to?
1000 ml.
1000 ml. Very good. So 4000 ml means how much liter? 4000 ml. 4. Yes, very good. 4 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000. So 4000 ml is given. So what do you have to do? 4 liter. Why? Because 4 liter is equal to 4000 ml. 4000 ml is given. So you have to do this opposite here. So that is 4 liter. 4000 ml is same as 4 liter. So what will be question number 11? 3000 gram is equal to how many kilogram?
3 kilogram.
3 kilogram. Very good. 3 kilogram. I think we learned all this in our class 3. Question number 11. 3 kilogram. So what will be question number 12? 4,000 meter. How many kilometer? 4 kilometer. Very good children. 4 kilometer. So this is question number 12. 4 kilometer. Because 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. So 4 kilometer means 4,000 meter. Yes, children? So, I will send these notes what we have written today, that 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter, 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligram. Write in your notebook and revise well for the next class. And which page from the textbook I told you to read? Children, from which? 57. Very good. So 57, larger unit to smaller unit multiply, smaller unit to larger divide, that all things you can see from there and study. Okay children, bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.